make this delicious coconut rice with me.
The full ingredient list will be in the description box below. Please do well to check. In a clean pot, add in groundnut oil or coconut oil, anyone is fine. Add in onions and garlic. Pour in your already washed rice. I'm using short rice here. You can use any rice of your choice. Then fry your rice for 5 minutes. After which you add in your coconut water, your coconut milk. Then you add in your meat stock, add in pepper, season and adjust your seasoning at this point. Add in crayfish, give it a good stir and cover to cook on low medium heat.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. To a clean saucepan or pot, add your marinated prawns and veggies. You stir for 2 minutes and then back to the rice. Adding all of this mixture into your rice. Add in shredded coconut, guys. Shredded coconut makes a whole lot of difference. And then use any vegetables of your choice. I'm using carrots and cabbage here. Mix your rice properly, mix it to even distribute all those goodness, and voila, you just made yourself a sumptuous coconut rice. Until next time, see you, bye bye.